Right, this is going to be a very quick catch up, what's been going on type video. Firstly, as you might be able to see in the background, it's not very bright in here, but my award for surpassing 100,000 subs on YouTube turned up, so that's now proudly hanging on my office wall. Secondly, due to popular demand, I didn't really want to do it, but I've had a lot of people ask. I've set up an Etsy shop. So just selling a few bits and pieces of my blacksmithing that I do, the trivets, wands, and I've decided to sell that horse head that I made. That's been open about 3 weeks and I haven't sold a thing, so you can see how well it's doing, but I just thought I'd let you know in case you are interested. And thirdly, and most excitingly, about a week or so ago I got an email from a guy called Peter Butler from the Butler Professional Farrier School over in Crawford, Nebraska. And he invited me to come onto his podcast. Well, I thought this was a bit of a wind-up, so I actually emailed him back and said, "Are you for real?" Because I just didn't feel worthy. And he said, yes. He said, we've got someone has emailed in saying, due to your popular YouTube channel, you'd make an interesting person to interview. So, fair enough, we'll give it a go. So I went on and had a great chat with Peter. It's about an hour long, so get yourself a cup of tea, and I'll put all the links in the description as to where you can hear it. So if you want to know a little bit more about me, about my life, how I got started, that's, you know, up there now. The Peter Butler, or the Butler Professional Farrier School is an absolutely marvellous institution. I've looked at the photographs online, and the site is tremendous. There's the three brothers, there's Jacob, Peter and his father Doug, or their father Doug. Now Doug has over 50 years experience in farriery. He even holds the UK's highest qualification of FWCF. All three of them are highly qualified, highly skilled farriers. You will learn absolutely everything you want to learn. They do 3 or 4 courses. They do a 6-week course, I think a 12-week course, an advanced course, and they will do custom courses. And they have a tremendous success rate because they are farriers. They know what they're talking about. They're not just teachers teaching it, they are farriers teaching it. So check it out. If you're vaguely interested in horses, check out the podcast because there's some tremendous people on there. If your ambition is to become a farrier, go and check out the site. All the links are up there to it, to everything you need to know about how much it is, what you'll get taught, what equipment you need. Everything is there. It's an on-site campus, so you don't have to travel. Once you get there, you stay there. That's it. So go and check it out. And that, I think, is about it. I'm halfway through listening to myself on the podcast, so I'm going to go and listen to the rest of it. So check it out, see what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, before you go, if you've caught me on Instagram, I've put up a picture of my next project, the mini brake press. Hopefully the video for that will be out either the end of this week or the beginning of next week. So look out for that. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.